Ooh.
Ouch!
What is it? A clamshell?
Maybe the seagulls dropped them.
Okay, but how did they get in here? The windows are closed, and the shells are empty. As Cousin Fred would say,
This looks like a job for
The
Bear Detective!
huh? Hey, there's something outside. Huh? Really, something was there. I saw it. It was a glowing. My guess would be it was your glowing imagination.
And my guess would be we have a big mystery to solve. And I hope you have a lot of empty pages in that notebook, brother.
Sometime you'll find they might be just plain funny. The Berenstain Bears.